Most iPads don't have any kind of physical label showing how much storage they have, but it's easy to check your storage situation under the settings. Go to Settings, and then under the General tab on the left, look for iPad Storage. This will give you an overview of your storage situation. I can, for example, see that my iPad has 64 gigabytes of storage and I've used about 55 right now. You'll also see some recommendations on how to free up storage and a list of apps that are currently taking up the most storage on your iPad. If you go all the way down, you'll see the storage taken up by both iPad OS, which is the operating system, and system data. These are unfortunately something you don't really have control over. They contain system files that are essential for your iPad to run smoothly, and system data, for example, fluctuates as you're using your iPad. There's no way to clear it, but I have seen system data sometimes reduced by quite a bit by simply restarting the iPad. Anyways, that's how you see the storage on your iPad. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.